The Turkish Aerospace Industries, Augusta-Westland, T129 ATAK, is a twin-engine, tandem-seat, multi-role, all-weather attack helicopter based on the Augusta A129 Mangusta platform. The T129 was developed by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, with partner Augusta-Westland. The helicopter is designed for advanced attack and reconnaissance missions in hot and high environments and rough geography in both day and night conditions. The T129 ATAK program was begun to meet the Turkish Armed Forces requirements for an attack and tactical reconnaissance helicopter. The T129 is the result of the integration of Turkish-developed avionics, airframe modifications, and weapon systems onto the Augusta-Westland A129 airframe, with upgraded engines, transmission and rotor blades. It is in use by the Turkish Army and other services including the Turkish Gendarmerie. The helicopter has a unit cost of roughly $50 million. Turkey announced on March 2007 that it had decided to negotiate with Augusta-Westland to co-develop and produce 51, with 40 options, attack helicopters based on the Augusta A129 Mangusta. It is to be assembled in Turkey by Turkish Aerospace Industries, TAI, as the T129. On September 2007, a $1.2 billion contract was signed. Under the agreement, TAI would develop an indigenous mission computer, avionics, weapon systems, self-protection suites and the helmet mounting cueing systems. The T129 ATAK is optimized for hot and high conditions, performance requirements against challenging geographical and environmental conditions in night and day operations. It has several key improvements over the original A129, in line with the requirements of the Turkish Army. The helicopter is equipped with the Hunter Koska integrated control system specially designed for the helicopter. The system enables the automatic orientation of target detection and weapon systems to the pilot's line of sight with high tracking accuracy. The helicopter is also equipped with a dedicated electro-optical FLIR system, ASIL FLIR 300T, for multi-purpose missions manufactured by the Turkish company Aselsan. The helicopter is also equipped with advanced electronic warfare and countermeasure systems which increase survival capabilities in combat situations. These systems include a radar warning receiver, radar frequency mixer, and a laser receiver, in addition to an automatic countermeasure firing system. The helicopter features also include high maneuverability, low visibility, sound and radar silhouette, high impact resistance and ballistic tolerance. The ATAK can be used in the anti-armor, armed reconnaissance, ground attack, escort, asymmetrical, fire support and short-range anti-aircraft roles. The T129 ATAK is equipped with a 20mm 3-barrel rotary cannon in a nose turret with 500 rounds of ammunition. It can also be equipped with up to 8 UMTA's 160mm long-range anti-tank missiles, 76 unguided 70mm rockets for close air support, 16 Sirit 70mm missiles and 8 air-launched Stinger short-range air-to-air missiles. When the Philippine Air Force re-evaluated its capabilities and performance after the siege of Marawi in 2017 against ISIS-inspired terrorists, it found that the MD-520MG Defender and the newer AW-109E power-armed helicopters did not have sufficient firepower. In 2017, the Philippine government received confirmation from the Jordanian government that they would provide 2 used Bell AH-1S Cobra attack helicopters, with options for more, subject to the decision of the Jordanian government. Instead of acquiring more light-armed helicopters, the PAF is now interested in purpose-built attack helicopters, even if acquired in smaller quantities. In the end, the PAF's technical working group selected the TAI T129 ATAK due to its lower price than its American competitors. TAI was able to offer 6 T129s for the approved budget, compared to just 5 AH-1Z Vipers from Bell, or 4 Boeing AH-64E Apaches from Boeing. The Department of National Defense had already signed a contract for the acquisition of 6 T129B helicopters from TAI for 3.7 billion pesos, through a government-to-government deal with the Turkish Ministry of Defense by the second half of 2020. on March 9, 2022. The first 2 units of the ordered T129 ATAK helicopters and their accompanying spare parts and logistical support items were delivered to Clark Air Base via 2 Turkish Air Force A400M transport planes. Specifications: T129 ATAK. Crew: 2 pilots. Length: 14.54 meters, 47 feet 8 inches, height: 3.4 meters, 11 feet 2 inches, max takeoff weight: 5,056 kilograms, 11,147 pounds, powerplant: 2 times Ltech CTS 800-4A turboshaft, producing 1,360 horsepower each, main rotor diameter: 11.9 meters, 39 feet 1 inches, main rotor area: 111.22 square meters, 1,197.2 square feet. Performance: maximum speed, 281 kilometers per hour, 152 knots, range, 537 kilometers, 334 miles, ferry range, 1,000 kilometers, 620 miles, endurance, 3 hours, service ceiling, 4,572 meters, 15,000 feet, rate of climb, 13.26 meters per second, 2,610 feet per minute, vertical climb rate, 7.3 meters per second. Armament. Guns: 1 M19720 by 102 mm, 3-barrel rotary cannon with 500 rounds of ammunition. Hardpoints: 4, with provisions to carry combinations of rockets, maximum 4 pods with 76, 70 mm, 2.75 inches unguided rockets such as MKE FFAR, Hydra 70, CRV-7. Missiles: 8, 4x2, UMTAS, 160 mm UMTAS and LUMTAS anti-tank guided missiles, 16, 4x4, Sirit, 70 mm guided missile used against lightly armored or unarmored targets, 8, 2x4, air-to-air Stinger, short-range air-to-air missile. Avionics: a Selson, a Selfler 300T, electro-optical forward-looking infrared system,